Hi friends, my name is Ranjit Singh and today we will discuss about algorithm, what is algorithm and what are the properties of algorithm. Algorithm is basically a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a particular problem, and it has some properties like it should terminate after finite steps and it should be produce at least one output, and it is independent of programming language. It means if you have designed an algorithm for a particular problem, you can implement in any programming language, PHP, C Sharp, Java, Python, in any programming language. So that is the meaning. Algorithm is independent of programming language, right? And these are the some questions or some problems from time complexity, right? And we will see one by one. The first one is this is the main method, and x equals to y plus z. So you have to find the time complexity. You will have to find the time complexity. So what is the time complexity of this program? Right? So it's a normal equation, x equals to y plus z. So it will run only one time. It will run only one time. So time complexity would be order of 1 of this program, because it will run only one time, only single time, right? Now next one is this is the main method, x equals to y plus z. It will also run one time, right? Now this is the for loop, I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, then x equals to y plus z, right? So this statement this statement will execute n times, 1 to n. This loop is run 1 to n, so it will execute n times. So what is the time complexity? 1 plus n. So it would be order of n. So the time complexity of this program would be order of n. Now next one is main method, and this is the x equals to y plus z, and it will also execute one time. It is a normal statement. Now another one is for loop, I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, and closed here, right? So it will also execute n times, 1 to n. It is a for loop, right? And these are the nested loop, these two, 1 or j, I or j, right? I 1 to n, j 1 to n. So these are nested loop. So this statement will execute order n square times, n into n, right? So what is the time complexity of this program? 1 plus n square. It would be order n square. So this is the time complexity of this program. So these are the three programs, and we have discussed the time complexity. Thank you.